We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words and some of the most mispronounced words in English as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning for reference. This is a word of French origin, which explains its perhaps curious spelling for English. Now, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, this is normally said as fuselage, fuselage. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, this is usually said as fuselage, fuselage with an S, a S sound, rather than a Z or a Z sound, a Z sound in British English. So, fuselage in American English, or fuselage in British English. For reference, in French, if you're wondering, this is said as fuselage, fuselage, yes, with a Z sound here, fuselage, but in British English, fuselage or fuselage in American English. Anyhow, now you've got it all, I think. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.